Hello my beautiful pandas, and welcome back to another Femme Luxe review. I've got some casual pieces I'm doing this time, and the first up is these joggers. All the details will be on the accompanying blog, so I would say head there. So basically these joggers are actually really comfortable. They're like cargo style, combat style, cargo style, let's say, with obviously the side pockets as you can see. That are sort of like mid-thigh down to like higher calf area, I would say. They've got plenty of stretch around the ankle. These are actually a great fit. I got a size larger in these just to try them out, really, just to see if there was any difference, because I normally tend to get like size 6s quite a lot. And one great bonus that I saw was obviously they have fleece lining to them, which is great in terms of like for colder months. And also just want to show you the waistband. There's not much stretch in it, to be honest. It's all kind of on the tie of it, really. It depends on how tight you want to tie it or how loosely. But otherwise, I've got to say, actually, they fit really well. They look amazing, and I actually do like them. And next up is a corset, which I normally wouldn't pair with joggers, but this time I thought, why not? It'll be pretty awesome. So this does have a fair bit of stretch to it with a hook and eye closure at the front, which I will show you a little bit later. One thing I do like about it, it's kind of crop style with a longer front and a really nice sort of deep back to it. It's not adjustable in any way, to be honest, so sorry about that. It does have a lot of boning / piping structure to it at the front, just to kind of keep it as straight as possible. But at the moment it's being a little bit flimsy with me. That's where the hook and eye closure is. It's not all the way down, but it just helps you to get it on, basically. But yeah, not a bad corset piece, I will say. It fits really well, which I'm really happy about. It looks really nice. Quality is not too bad, to be fair. Yeah, I would like to see this actually with a skirt or a pair of jeans rather than joggers. Now, I'm a little bit annoyed with this pair because this is supposed to be the colour sand, and online it shows it as this awesome like ivory beige kind of colour, and I got this. So I'm a little bit annoyed, but never mind. So once again, we're just working with plain joggers. I got them in a larger size this time, just to sort of see like, would they be really baggy on me? Would they still be quite fitted? But yeah. So these obviously do have really deep pockets, obviously plain all around the leg. They've got cuffed ankles, which are pretty decent actually, and sit quite well. There's plenty of elastic in them. And it also does have like an elastic waistband with inner drawstrings that I will show you too. But as you can see, yeah, it is pretty baggy on me. There's a lot of room. But it's not a bad thing, I suppose, especially if you're just lounging around. And another bonus feature with these is the fact that they are fleece lined. So once again, great for winter months. Probably not so much for summer, but it's, why would you wear thick joggers in summer? That's another thing. But yeah, overall not bad, but I'm not keen on the colour. And lastly, I have a loungewear piece, very similar to one I've done before, probably in the similar colour as well, but I really do like this colour. So this comes with the top and bottom shown. Once again, I think this is like a size small to medium. So there is plenty of room in this. It's not like too fitted, which I do quite like actually. So the top, as you can see, it's like sort of crew neck, got a fair bit of stretch to it, which I'm really happy about. This is quite thin, I will say. So yeah, it'd be great for warmer months, but for cooler months, you probably might want to layer with these. Obviously just showing off the arms, basically it's a good arm length on them with slight cuffing at the ends near the wrist. And there also is a cuff to the bottom of these, meaning like on the top. But yeah, so the trousers, plenty of elastic around the waistband. They fit really well. It's kind of like a semi-slim fit, which is great. It still has stretch all around, to be fair, so can't go wrong. I just want to show you the drawstrings there. They do nothing, so I don't even know why I need to mention that, hey ho. So yes, these do come with like semi-deep pockets, not that great, but they're still there. And as you can tell, there's obviously plenty of room around the thighs, and it slowly gets a little bit more fitted towards the bottom of the leg, but it's still got plenty of stretch in it, so it can fit duo sizing. And obviously I did show the cuff on the ankle as well. But yeah, not a bad fit, amazing quality, and I really do like it.